Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you for beginners crochet cowl. It's so simple. This project for beginners, especially because it will be will be the first project. You can do that easily. I promise that. Only I use half double crochet. Of course, you can use single crochet or double crochet, which you feel comfortable and you will more faster, you can feel that. I want to use half double because I want to make it more softer. I use here multicolor yarns, and this is size nearly 5, and I use a 6mm hook with this project, but I will show you a sample, the pattern sample with size 4 yarn and 5mm hook. I will share you. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. I'm so happy to read them. Thanks a lot again. If you're ready, we can start the crochet. So simple crochet cowl. Let's start crochet. I start this cowl with 25 stitches, and this 25 stitches 6.5 inches, and it's equal to 16 centimeter. You can adapt it easily, more longer or more smaller. You can choose that. I don't use, you can use it double folded, of course, or maybe 3 times. It's your choice. Okay, then I increase that. I start 25 stitches and I increase that 35 stitches. Again, it's your choice. You can increase that more. You can crochet it more longer. I crocheted 52 centimeter, but you can crochet it 1 meter and join 2 sides together and use double folded and twist your head twice time. It's your choice. You can adapt that and you can imagine that which you want. Okay, now I will show you my sample and you can adapt it every type which you want. First of all, we will start with slip knot. Then make 25 stitches. 1, 2, not make so tight. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now add one more, so I have here totally 26 stitches. Then yarn over, skip 2, insert into the third one, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Count this chain 3 as my first half double. This is second one, and I will make half double crochet in every each stitch. 3 loops, pull through all together. Yarn over, insert the next one, grab my yarn, pull through all together. I come to end. I have 25 double crochet. Now chain 1 and not count, turn my work. Yarn over and start from the very first stitch. Insert only using back loop, grab my yarn and make my half double. 1, next back loop, 2, next back loop, 3, next 4, 5, 6, and this is the last one, 25. Now we will have 25 double crochet. Now I want to increase one more, so 1 and 2 chains and turn my work. Count these 2 chains as my first half double crochet. Yarn over and insert into the first stitch again, and keep doing my half doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will make half double crochet until come to end. Okay, I will do that. And 26. Chain 1 and not count. Turn your work again and start not count this chain 1. Start from the very first and crochet 26 double crochet again. Look at that. Don't forget your here chain 2. Okay. Again chain 2 and increase one more. Count as your first half double. Start from the very first and make your double crochets. So you can see that here. Here is normal side. Here is increasing part. Okay. Like that you will increase your stitches every this side. I start with 25 until I will increase that until I have 35. Then I will turn you and tell you how you can decrease that as same as. That's so simple. Okay, you will increase this side always at here 2 chains and count as your first half double. Don't forget the second round crochet on that. I complete after turn 2. I increase that until I have totally 35 stitches and I want to give you measurement. This is 11.5 inches and it's equal to nearly 30 centimeters. Now we will start to decrease that pattern until we come to the same our starting stitches number. Chain 1 and not count, turn my work, do the same thing, yarn over, not count it, insert into the very first stitch, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops, pull through all together and make half double crochet but using only back loop here. Like that. I will do the same thing until come to the end of this row, left here 2 stitches. Doing same thing. I want to make it so soft. For this reason I use half double crochet, but if you want to make it more thicker and stable form, you can use here single crochet, of course. Here I have, you can see that, 2 stitches here, 1 and 2. Insert the second one, grab my yarn, then insert the next one, the last one, grab my yarn. I have 4 loops, pull through all together, chain 1 and not count that, and make my half doubles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that I will complete this row. You can see that. I come to end and crochet as same as. Don't forget your last stitch. Chain 1 and not count. Do the same thing. Here. When you come at the end, you will left again 2 stitches and crochet 2 stitches together and make your decreases as the symmetrical. You can see here. Okay. I will crochet here. come to the end. Now I have here 2 stitches. I will crochet together. Insert the second one, grab my yarn, insert the next one, the last stitch, grab my yarn. I have 4 loops, pull through all together, chain 1 and not count, and turn my work and keep crocheted as same as. Okay, you can see here that symmetrical point. This is our middle point, and I will start to decrease that until I have 25 stitches. I will decrease that. At the end I will turn to you and we will join them together. Okay, I complete and turn to you. I crochet until I have 25 stitches. I decrease that, you can see that. Now this is whole length 20 inches and it's equal to 51 centimeter. When we join them together, 52, you can think that like it. Now join 2 sides together. Insert the first loop here, join with slip stitch. Now I will take my here first loop, and here only I have 1 loop. I will take it and join with slip stitch. First loop, the opposite sides only 1 loop have, join with a slip stitch. First loop, take this loop, join 2 sides like that. We will join all the stitches like this. You can also join with a single crochet, don't forget that. How you can feel comfortable. You can join with using a needle. It's not important. Okay. That's the last stitch. Take the both stitches. I will take it. Now I will cut my yarn, and that's okay. Our so simple cowl is here. It's so simple. You can do that easily. This is back side, you can see that. This is front side. Also you can turn with a single crochet all the sides. It's your choice. That's it. Only you can make it in few hours in a day. You can adapt it, everyone. I hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your kind comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.